Are you interested in learning how to tailor your own clothes? Well, you are in luck. In this video, we will guide you through the essential tools you'll need for a successful tailoring class. So let's get started. First up, a sewing machine. A good quality sewing machine is a must-have for any aspiring tailor. Make sure to choose one that suits your skill level and budget. Next, you'll need a set of sharp scissors. These will come in handy for cutting fabric with precision. Look for a pair of fabric scissors specifically designed for tailoring. Another crucial tool is a measuring tape. Accurate measurements are the key to a perfect fit, so invest in a high-quality measuring tape that can withstand wear and tear. To make precise markings on your fabric, you'll need some marking tools. These can include tailor's chalk, disappearing ink pens, or even washable fabric markers. Choose whichever works best for you. Pins and needles are essential for holding fabric in place. A pincushion or magnetic pin holder will help keep them organized and prevent any accidents. A seam ripper is another must-have tool. It'll come in handy when you need to remove stitches or fix any mistakes without damaging the fabric. Don't forget about a good iron and ironing board. Pressing your fabric and seams will give your finished projects a professional look. Lastly, invest in a selection of threads in various colors and weights. You'll need these for sewing your garments together. Choose high-quality threads that won't break easily. And there you have it, the essential tools for a tailoring class. With these tools in hand, you'll be ready to take on any sewing project that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tailoring tips and tricks.